Unraveling, ruled out, master the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in English conversations, ruled out. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such expressions is key to fluent English. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind ruled out and see how it's used in various contexts. The phrase, ruled out, is commonly used to indicate that something has been eliminated or dismissed as a possibility. It comes from the judicial or decision-making context, where a judge or authority would rule that a particular option or argument is no longer considered. Examples in sentences: the detective ruled out foul play. It was an accident. Bad weather was ruled out as the cause of the power outage. In these sentences, ruled out signifies that certain possibilities have been officially dismissed. Interestingly, ruled out isn't just for detectives and judges. It's versatile and can be used in everyday situations. Everyday usage: I ruled out going to the beach because of the rain forecast. After trying several recipes, she ruled out using butter in her cake. Here, the phrase is used more informally to denote personal decisions. Questions using ruled out can either seek confirmation or inquire about reasons for dismissal. Question forms: have you ruled out all other options? Why was this possibility ruled out? When posing such questions, the speaker is often probing for more information or justification. When learning, it's important to be mindful of the context ruled out is used in to ensure it fits naturally. Tips: do not use ruled out for options that are still considered viable. Be cautious not to confuse ruled out with ruled, which can simply mean to govern. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms: dismissed, excluded, eliminated, discounted. Using these can add variety to your English and help you understand different nuances. I hope this exploration of ruled out has clarified its usage for you. Remember, getting comfortable with phrases like this is a fantastic way to enrich your English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using ruled out like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!